Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up an e-commerce with Framer and Stripe. We'll start inside a Framer project based on the Nestel website template, V2. If you're following along using the provided project link, go ahead and open it so you see the canvas and left sidebar. At the top of Framer, open Insert to browse components and ready-made elements you can add to the page. This panel is where you'll find the building blocks we'll use today. In the Insert panel, choose the Utility category. It groups helpful controls and general-purpose items that work well across different layouts. From Utility, locate the button, sometimes labeled Download or Button depending on the template. Click and drag it onto your page, placing it where you want customers to begin checkout. Common spots include the Product section or header. As you drop it, Framer snaps it into your layout, so align it with your existing frames and spacing for a consistent look. Next, double-click the button on the canvas. This activates text editing. Replace the default label with Checkout. Clear labels reduce friction and set expectations, which helps conversion. With the button still selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel and find the field labeled URL or link. This controls what happens when someone clicks the button. Click into that field so it's ready to accept a link. Now paste the sample checkout URL you've prepared for this demo. This is a Stripe checkout link intended for testing, so it safely simulates the purchase flow without charging real cards. Using a sample URL lets you verify the path from your page to the hosted checkout before you connect real products or pricing. Make sure the full link is included, starting with HTTPS, and avoid adding extra spaces. After pasting, Framer automatically associates the link with the button state, so the button will direct visitors to the hosted checkout page when they click. That's the essential setup. You've opened the template, inserted a utility button, renamed it to Checkout, and pointed it to a sample Stripe checkout URL. From here, you can rely on the template's existing styles, so the button inherits the right typography, colors, and hover states. Keeping the label short and action-oriented maintains clarity across devices, and placing the button in a prominent area improves discoverability on mobile and desktop. When you're done, your page contains a clear call to action that routes shoppers to a secure checkout experience managed by Stripe. This approach keeps sensitive payment handling off your site and inside Stripe's verified flow, while letting you design freely in Framer. Great job following along.